Well, hello there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Seti again. For today, guys, I would like to share. There are a lot of teachers who always ask me how they can get their e-certificate for TESOL of Canada. One teacher, she actually got the certificate for free. Actually, not only one, but some of the teachers, they comment they put a comment, or they wrote a comment rather, on my vlog, and they were able to get it for free. So one of the teacher that I met, she actually also, she got the TESOL certificate for free as well, and as I said, no charge. So according to her, what she said, yeah, we had like a conversation, and what she said, after she finished all of the assignments and quizzes, and she got a score about 71, 79.13%. So after she finished all quizzes and assignment, they they gave her this total score, and after a few days, she was not able to remember what was the exact day she got the e-certificate, and after she logged in again on her account, after she opened her account, she was able to view her e-certificate. It's on the list of models, she said, and she said that she was able to click. So there was like a prompt on the models list. Yeah, she was after I have finished, I found on the models list. So she found on the models list, it says there was a prompt, get your TESOL certificate. So she clicked on it, and she found the sample of the certificate, this e-certificate. And so she said also, and they wrote, and take a copy and write your name in the same way as the sample rather. So she was able to write her name, and she was able to get her certificate. Okay, that's easy, right, guys? So I don't know why other teachers were not able to get their certificate, but she said also, if there was also a prompt that if the teacher would like to have a hard copy of this certificate, then you need to pay, guys. Definitely, you need to pay. The other TOEFL certification, which is also free, it's just the same, guys. They you need to pay if you want a hard copy of that certificate. Okay, guys, I really done my research on this. This is legit. Okay, and I'm just helping you guys. That's why I created this channel, to help teachers around the world to get to get a higher paying job. Having a TESOL or TOEFL certificate would help you, I guess, would help you increase your chances to get a higher paying job, right, guys? Especially non-native speakers. Now, those are the things that you need to do, guys. Just finish the assignments, quizzes, okay? After that, after several days, you can log in again and check on the models list, okay? Models list, and then you will see a prompt that will tell you to get your certificate, okay? The prompt will say, get your TESOL certificate. And you need to click on it, and that's it. And then you need to enter your name, your details. Okay? Okay, guys? So, yeah, there are a lot of comments and messages on my inbox, on my page. So I hope that this vlog has helped you a lot. Okay? I really may yeah, I really spared my time just for this vlog because I want to help a lot of teachers around the world. I'm quite busy too. I'm a mother of two children. So I really find time to just create this vlog and explain how you can get the TESOL certificate. So I hope that this vlog has helped you a lot, teachers. If you're new on my channel, again, please click on that subscribe button down below and the notification bell. So just in case I upload another video, you will get notified, and any comments or feedback you can write down below. Okay, teachers? So thank you so much, teachers, from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. And have a good day to you. Goodbye and God bless us all.